Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The compounds in cinnamon have anti-inflammatory effects, beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Cinnamon may lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Some studies suggest that cinnamon could improve cognitive function and memory. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections. Cinnamon can aid digestion, reduce bloating, and soothe stomach discomfort. Cinnamon may help regulate metabolism and support weight loss efforts. Cinnamon adds a delightful flavor to both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile ingredient in cooking. Ingredients: cinnamon,